It's gonna go to my other finger. Pose.
Hey.
Guys, look, it's gonna jump to my other finger. Pose.
Hey.
Guys, look.
Di makita.
It goes through his arm.
Yeah.
Pose.
Hey.
Guys, look. I'm gonna show you how it's done now. First, go through this to your. I don't know what this two finger called, but
Index, baliw.
hindi.
Small finger, index yun.
You're gonna do this, and like that, and now like this. Now you're gonna move your finger like this. Pause.
Hey.
So guys, look. I'm gonna show you how this done. First step, do this. Second step, do this and do this. And do your index finger and your middle finger. Okay. And you're gonna move your thumb like that.
Hey.
I'm gonna show you how this done. It's go through his arm. First step, do this. Your two finger, your index finger and your middle finger. Now your move your thumb here like that, and get and basta do that.